Make a funny video, how to receive 1 million YouTube views, including each of the below 100 one by one. Post a video of your cat solving math problems. Accidentally upload your wedding proposal, but title it Epic Fail Compilation. Show your grandma trying VR for the first time. Just upload a black screen and call it the most mysterious video on YouTube. Every time someone sneezes, say bless you. Get your dog to play piano, but make sure it's Beethoven. Make a video that says watch this to get 1 million views. Record yourself reacting to watching your own videos. Put the title in all caps, watch this or regret it for life. Create a 24-hour loop of a baby laughing. It never fails. Show yourself counting to 1 million. Drop your phone in the toilet. Everyone loves a relatable tragedy. Teach people how to clap with one hand. It's deep. Recreate famous scenes from movies using potatoes. Film a plant growing for 6 months and time-lapse it into 6 seconds. Record your neighbor's dog barking. Caption it, real-life talking dog. Misspell YouTube in the title. Chaos ensues. Film yourself waiting for 1 million views. The metagame. Create an epic CGI battle with stick figures. Title your video Click for Free Pizza, but offer no pizza. Make your thumbnail a red circle and arrow pointing to nothing. Show a blank screen but add dramatic music. Genius. Film your microwave saying 1 minute left for 10 minutes. How to open a door, an expert tutorial. Riveting content. Eat a banana sideways, controversy equals views. Live stream yourself looking for your lost keys. Convince your parrot to yell, like and subscribe. Wear 100 layers of clothes and try to go through a revolving door. Have a staring contest with the camera for 10 hours. Ride a unicycle while juggling flaming pineapples. Whistle every pop song from 2000 to now. One take, dramatically reenact Shakespeare with sock puppets. Film yourself drinking water, but use a teaspoon. Start every video with before I get to the point and never get to it. Bake a cake and only use blue ingredients. Why not? Make a tutorial for something no one asked for, like tying shoes backward. React to other reaction videos. Reactionception. Do a DIY tutorial for how to fail at DIY tutorials. Replace every sound in your video with a duck quack. Claim you found Bigfoot, but it's just your uncle in socks. Hold a try not to laugh challenge with no jokes. Photoshop yourself on the moon and call it My Weekend Vlog. Title it 1 million views, please. Honesty works sometimes. Post a silent film of you thinking about what to post on YouTube. Tell people this video will self-destruct at 1 million views. Intrigue. Pretend your chair is haunted. Watch as chairs everywhere tremble. Make a video of you breathing heavily for no reason. Set up a Rube Goldberg machine that serves you cereal. Whisper 1 million views in ASMR style for 10 minutes. Show a turtle racing against a snail. Slow and steady wins views. Dance like nobody's watching, but everyone is. Try to pronounce every word in the dictionary wrong. Make a how to count to 1 million tutorial, but stop at 10. Do a cooking show where every ingredient is a mystery box. Start a video with, don't watch this video, and watch everyone watch it. Play hide and seek with your camera. Sing a song backward and call it avant-garde art. Pretend to unbox a super rare item. It's a potato. Make a video about making a video. That's deep. Upload a tutorial titled How to Make a Tutorial with no instructions. Do a magic trick where the card disappears into your pocket. Walk 10,000 steps in a circle and call it Exploring the Unknown. Pretend your goldfish is telling your secrets. It's drama time. Blow up a balloon and call it Extreme Balloon Survival. Live stream yourself reading terms and conditions. Riveting. Teach a squirrel how to skateboard. Views are guaranteed. Film yourself watching paint dry, but speed it up for suspense. Recreate your favorite meme in real life. Pretend to be an alien learning how to use Earth's technology. Try eating soup with a fork. Call it a revolutionary method. Stage a heist to steal cookies from your own jar. Post a video of you staring at your phone waiting for a text. Rebrand as a professional nap reviewer. Use a watermelon as a drum and call it Fruit Percussion Masterclass. Review a movie you've never seen, based solely on the poster. Spend 5 minutes debating whether the glass is half full or half empty. Play hide and seek with your pet. Spoiler, they win. Build a Lego masterpiece and then accidentally destroy it. Pretend to be a weather reporter for your bedroom. Make your thumbnail 10,000% clickbait, literally. Write a song using only words that rhyme with banana. Film yourself flipping a pancake and failing miserably. Live stream yourself assembling IKEA furniture without instructions. Pretend to be a robot learning how to act human. Record yourself making shadow puppets that don't resemble anything. Reenact famous movie scenes, but only with action figures. Post a video called "How I Accidentally Invented a New Dance Move." Pretend to have an intense debate with your houseplant. Try juggling eggs, but don't use real eggs, they're balloons. Teach a serious lesson on how to blink properly. Post a video titled 10 Reasons to Watch This Video and never list the reasons. Host a silent karaoke session, no singing allowed. Recreate historical events using finger puppets. Make a video of you trying to figure out how mirrors work. Create ASMR for aliens, just random beeping and static noises. Pretend to give a TED Talk on why socks always disappear. Film a day in the life of a spoon. Pretend to be a wildlife documentarian in your own backyard. Make a tutorial on how to laugh at your own jokes. Post a 2-second video titled "This Will Go Viral." It just might.